Hi Rene, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm good. So आपकी नई सीरीज ये शॉर्ट फिल्म रिलीज होने वाली है सुट्टाबाजी. You want to know
Yes.
what is the plot of this story, like in a brief?
ये जो कहानी है, इट्स अ वेरी रिलेटेबल स्टोरी. हर घर की कहानी यही होती है. तो जब मैंने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी, मुझे बहुत ही अच्छी लगी बिकॉज़ द थिंग इज़ आई वाज़ गेटिंग टू प्ले एन ओल्ड मी इन अ वे. जैसे मैं थी थोड़ी-थोड़ी सी. और स्टोरी इज़ बेस्ड इन द लॉकडाउन. तो जो हालात थे, माइंडसेट था, सिचुएशन थी, इमोशंस थे, वो सब बहुत ही रियल है स्टोरी में. एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई लव मोस्ट अबाउट इट. जो मेरे मेरे डायरेक्टर है कबीर खुराना, और मेरे प्रोड्यूसर्स हैं सिमरन, रमीक एंड पंकज.
Hmm.
अ, वो एक बहुत ही सिंपल कहानी विद एन इम्पोर्टेंट मैसेज यू नो बताने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं थ्रू दिस फिल्म. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई लव्ड अबाउट इट.
So Rene, you used to smoke before या फिल्म के या इस शॉर्ट फिल्म के लिए आपने स्मोक करना मतलब you initiated that.
I initiated it for the film.
So you did it for the film, but however you were still smoking. So
No,
no, you didn't
I
smoke.
don't. I don't know. I smoke real cigarettes, but I don't smoke.
And okay, no, but for the film you did. So what did
Yes.
Smita ma'am had to say about that? As like the child is smoking, even if it's for the film.
No parent loves to see their child smoke, I'm sure. But in this industry, we have to go out of our comfort zone. I was playing a character. So
True.
my character smokes. Uh, that is the director's vision. We can't change that.
Yeah.
So I think she understands that, you know,
Yeah.
because that's a big thing that, she's in this industry.
True.
Uh, so it's a very understanding relationship. But yeah, I don't. Smoking is injurious to health. So yeah, please don't do it, anybody.
So how was your experience working with Kabir Khurana?
He's a great director, and he's very focused, which is the best part. He knows what he wants, and I had a deal with him, before we started this film, that Kabir, even though this is my first film, don't say okay just because you think you're not going to get a better shot. Keep making me do it till you don't get what you want. That is my only condition with him. That you want me to do 100 retakes, I'll give it. But don't stop till you get what you want from me. Because that is very important. Just because this is my first time, I don't want it to be easy in any way.
Yeah.
Chalo, anything will do. That's not the attitude that I wanted towards this film in any way. So
So
he got it out of me.
you seem to be a pretty serious actor. So when did you realize that you want to get into the acting field only?
You know, this dream has been subconsciously there throughout,
Hmm.
because I've seen my mother. So she made me very aware of the pros and the flip side of it. And then she told me, now you make your own decision, make your own path.
Hmm.
I've taught you and told you what I have to, and I should. And she still advises me. It's not like she stopped telling me, but getting into this was entirely personal. It was my choice. And it started at the age of 5 or 6. And I started prepping for acting seriously during the lockdown. I started taking steps towards my dream during the lockdown.
How did you get this role?
It's all, I think, fate, because I was scrolling through Instagram, and I saw I followed Kabir on Instagram because we were in the same school.
Hmm.
So I think my story is a good way of how social media can be used, I think, because I messaged him and I congratulated him for his previous film Hangout, and we started talking, and it was a very honest, normal conversation where I just said, "Oh, you're a director. That's great. You know, I also want to act, and let's see, how it goes. So I think 3 weeks into like speaking to him, he sent me a script, and he wanted me to audition for it. So yeah, once I passed the audition stage, that's how I got the part.
So his short film may we see that there are elderly cast like your mom and dad. So your first short film with an elder cast, did you feel any kind of pressure or like they are experienced and they already know, but I'm like new to this, so how will I do or how will I match their pace? How did you feel while acting with working with them?
Um, you are right, when you say that. Did I feel any sort of? I
Pressure.
was nervous. I was nervous because they've done such a large body of work,
Hmm.
and I'm a newcomer. This is just my first film, so to be patient with me, to say that okay, um, let's do this again, or let's find a new way to do this, was very helpful. And they're amazing people. They're very kind.
So,
So they made me feel very comfortable, and like you can do this. Don't worry.
so what did Sushmita ma'am and your sister Alicia and Rohan had to say about your short film when they saw?
His name is Roman,
Sorry,
not
I'm so
Rohan.
sorry. Sorry.
So Alisa, mom, and Roman uncle were extremely proud of me. Um, because they've obviously seen it from scratch. Uh, I'm very happy I can make them happy. They're happy with how everything's progressing. So yes.
So, Reni, you're Sushmita Sen's daughter. So when people look up to you, they might compare you. As in, it happens in Bollywood that they compare their parents with the children. Like mom dad जैसे famous हो रखे थे तो बच्चे की acting उसके compare में कैसी है? They always judge. Even if you have started, they would still keep the bar of expectation so high as Sushmita ma'am has achieved now. So वो pressure के ऊपर आपको कैसा लग रहा है? Do you feel the pressure?
No,
No?
no. I don't mean to boast, but reality ये है कि um, she's my माँ,
Hmm.
तो वो she's another person, I'm another person, जो उनकी achievements है, जो उन्होंने किया है लाइफ में, वो मुझसे बहुत अलग है.
True.
हमारी पूरी जर्नी ही अलग है.
Hmm.
और she's not, she's told us to be independent and not be clones of her. उन्होंने उन उनके जूते इतने बड़े हैं कि मैं कोशिश भी नहीं करने वाली कि मैं आई फिल दो शूज. मुझे अपना जूता बना के खुद करना है.
Hmm.
क्योंकि अगर मैं वो प्रेशर लेके बैठ जाऊं, कि उन्होंने इतना किया, मुझे भी इतना करना है, तो मैं शुरुआत में ही अटक जाऊं.
True.
तो मैं प्रेशर कॉन्शियसली नहीं ले रही.
Hmm.
And I've not been encouraged to take the pressure. I've only been encouraged to take inspiration from that. So it's not pressure.
Definitely, we can see that even you're independent, and Sushmita ma'am was definitely independent. Everyone knows that. You being 21, right?
Yes, I'm 20.
21, you are so independent, and I guess you're one of the most youngest but confident person I'm talking to. And like with this identity or with this attitude you possess right now, you would definitely make your individual identity in future, because it's
Thank you.
you get that strong vibe from someone when you talk to them, and you don't feel that fear, like there's no fumbleness and there's complete confidence. I mean, hats off to Sushmita ma'am for raising such confident children. So
Thank
talking
you.
about Sittabazi, when and where is it releasing? Where would we get to see?
On January 10th, 2021 on Hotstar.
How excited are you?
I'm just happy. Like, it's finally everything, but I'm nervous a little bit
Hmm.
in a good way. It's never good to be overconfident, so I'm nervous.
How difficult or easy was it to shoot in this pandemic?
Easy nahi tha,
Mhm.
because COVID is real and it's a very scary thing. तो हम उसे नजरअंदाज तो नहीं कर सकते.
Mm,
But life has to go on. काम तो करना पड़ेगा.
true.
So we took the safety measures and maintain, because my parents are older. You
Yeah.
know, their health was also very important.
Mm.
So I think we all did. I did my COVID test. There was sanitization, gloves, everything that was necessary. Social distancing. So yeah, it was.
So all the best for your upcoming short film. You have
Thank
to
you.
make huge projects and huge success in future. This is just the beginning, and it's an amazing beginning. I've seen the
Thank
trailer, and you don't seem it's your debut or it's like your first time you're acting. It seems so perfect and so mature acting. I loved it.
thank
It doesn't seem like
thank
some small girl has not small but 21-year old girl
you.
has.
I'm
It's amazing. I've seen the trailer and your acting is fabulous. I can't wait to see it.
Thank you. Thank you. Please watch it and please give me honest feedback.
Sure, I would. Thank you.
Thank you.
It was great having you over here. Thank you.
Thank you for
Take
having
care.
me.
Bye.
Bye.